Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Hopefully, everybody is doing great. Sorry for the little delay here. I forgot to plug in my mic. So, hopefully, the sound is loud and clear. Before we start, just say hi in the chat and let me know if the sound is good. Hey, Paul. Good morning. How you doing? Buddy? So, sorry again. I was not able to make it yesterday morning, so decided to do it this morning. So, hopefully, we can catch something all together. So if you're new here, welcome. Don't forget to smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and activate notification, because sometimes I go live randomly like this morning. So you definitely want to know when I go live. So now, guys, I need you to give me 1 second here, because I don't know what is going on with nous attendons le mode pause pour les subscriptions en chaîne. I don't understand what they mean here. I guess. Okay, whatever. Okay, guys, Guy, bear with me. Let me know if the sound is loud and clear. Hey, Hugo, what's up? Better late than never. Yeah, I know, man. It's it is what it is. I had a mastermind boot camp for the past 5 days. So yeah, that was very, very, very interesting, very good, very fun. Met some amazing people. And yeah, man, business wise, it was a really good move. So yeah, pretty excited with all this. And now I'm just trying to figure out like what's going on with YouTube here. Give me 1 sec here, guys. Give me 1 sec. I don't know what is going on here. Why can I not manage what's going on at the same time? I don't get it. Wait. Stop. Give me 1 second, guys. Okay. All right. Sorry about that, guys. Interesting. Which boot camp? Yeah, it was a boot camp in the on the e-commerce side of it. So yeah. Okay, guys, ladies and gentlemen. Hey, Mary. Hey, how are you? Hopefully, everybody's doing great. Awesome. Okay, so I don't know what's going on here with trying to YouTube kind of change their thing. I'm gonna have to investigate, because usually I can see. Yeah, I don't know. I kind of don't know what's going on here. Continue the stream. Okay, whatever. Let's get started, because maybe here. Maybe here. Oh, I guess that's here. Oh, maybe not. I don't know. Here we go. Finally. Okay. We got this. Perfect. Okay, got it. Okay, let's get started. Okay. Let's put the banner. Perfect. Okay, we're good to rock. Okay. So here, let's talk about GJ first. Okay, so yesterday, like I said, I was at a boot camp, so I was not super focused, but because I needed to be concentrated on what I was doing, still was able to grab like a nice, nice trade. You'll see, uh, but I'm kind of mad I didn't close in full, but that's my problem. So, anyways, long story short, basically, weekly was bullish, daily was bullish, 4 hour was bullish. I was not looking to swing, but was looking to grab like a good day trade move. So based out of the 4 hour, if you look here, we had the we had a new high here, so we were bullish, right? We were bullish. We had the retracement. So we use our friend fib here, from there to there, boom, 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 right here. So we respected our safety net. Okay, so that's step number one. We're good. Okay, excellent. So let's move down to the 30 minutes, if I'm not wrong. Yes, correct. All right, so excellent. So I was looking for the pullback on the 4 hour. For this, most of the time, the lower time frame, like the 30-minute, will go bearish. Okay, so once the 30-minute went bearish, I waited for the 30-minute to flip bullish right here by breaking this high. Sorry, breaking this high here, and enter the trade right here. Play stop under. Actually, my stop was, I think it was under that wick, somewhere around here, whatever. Yeah, so it was maybe a little smarter than this, but it was still a pretty big stop. It was like a 40, I think it was a 40 pip stop exactly, to be honest. And went for a 2-2-1. Okay, so since my stop was big and I was only looking for a day trade, not a swing, because I was not in a daily or weekly daily area of interest. So I was like, all right, so, and it kind of pissed me off because here I was like, I had 3 position. I went a little hardcore. I miscalculated my thing. So I was risking a bit more than I usually risk. So I had 3 position. And here, if you look, here I was up like, what, 68 pips on 3 position. So that was very good. But after that, during the day, price kind of be ranging between like 20, 30, 20, 30, boom. And after that, like 20, 22, 25. And when I went to bed, what I did, I went to bed very late yesterday. It was like 1 a.m., if I'm not wrong. So where was that? It was somewhere around here. Okay. So just somewhere around here, I was at what? 20, where was it? 40, what? No, I was lower than this. It was like 20, 30 pips, somewhere like that, whatever. So what I did is I decided to place one TP in full at 221, which was somewhere around here. If I remember correctly, it was 172, 500, somewhere around there. So I placed one TP in full here, and I placed a partial for to close 50% of my 2 other position right here at 172. Hold on, let me check the 4 hour time frame here. It was based on the fill of that wick right here. So this is where my 2 other position closed in full. Not in full, sorry guys. 50% of the 2 position. So that's what I did. Stop was at break even. Once we hit this, I placed my auto break even also. So everything went well, except the fact that it's the equivalent of 1 position that went to break even. So kind of sucks, but it's part of the game, right? So at least profit is profit. But yeah, so that was the only thing. So hopefully you guys get that, like why I did it. Just following the trend, wait for the pullback, go on the lower time frame and take the entry. Let's go check if we have any comments or question. Do you care about the daily and the weekly trend when you scout? Okay, or only the 4 and lower time frame? Most of the time, I don't really care about the weekly if I'm scalping, and the daily. I definitely want the daily to be either a bullish candle, but I don't have to be a trend, right? Don't have to be a trend. But to be honest, scalping, I don't look too much for daily and weekly. Of course, it's always stronger, but I'm going to be looking at the daily candle, and it's going to be executing on the 4 hour. Sorry, I'm going to get my confirmation out of the 4 hour, 2 hour, and execute on a 1 hour, 30 minute, 15 minute, whatever, something like that. Give me one sec, guys. What's going on here? What is going on here? Hey, no. Oh, we got someone on front here. What's going on here? Okay. Sorry, guys. Okay, let's get back to focus here. Cool. I find it hard to take the trade since the daily needs a retracement. Yes, obviously, the most important thing is the most important thing overall is just to understand what's going on in the chart, what's going on with the price action, and from there you can either take a swing, take a scalp. It's just like once you understand price action, guys, it's so clear in your head. But it's just to follow our structure, correct? So like let's take a look at today. Okay, what's going on today? Okay, so let's start with the weekly. Okay, so we're gonna look at two approach. We're gonna look at the what is this blue line? Hold on, wait a second, guys. What is this blue line here? I don't know. Let's delete this. Let's delete this. Okay, perfect. Okay, excellent. So let's take a look at the weekly time frame here. So the weekly. What the fuck is going on? Hey! Oh, there's a dude here. Wait a second. Okay, anyways. Sorry about that, guys. Okay, so let's focus. So we got the weekly here. Weekly is bullish, daily is bullish, right? So now if you look at the weekly just formed a new high. So weekly broke the high, we form a new high. So we might continue up because the weekly broke previous wick here, previous high also, and went down. So we might continue up this week, or we might see a pullback to eventually continuing up. But now it's too early to know. We don't know what's going on yet. But we did broke previous highs, so there's a bigger chance for price to continue to the upside. If you look at what happened in the past, like 2 weeks ago, what happened is we formed a high here, which is not a new high because we didn't broke that structure, but we formed a new high. We pull back, retest previous daily area of interest, retesting major QP right here. So if you look, retesting major QP 169. If you look on the daily chart, yeah, so if you look here, that was on this is the retest here that happened. But to take the trade to the upside, you need to make sure we are still bullish. And in this case, we were still bullish. Okay. The reason why we didn't broke that low. Okay. So we were just like market structure right here. Now what happened here on the 4 hour, since we've been retesting. Look at this level, the 170, 171, 171, 280 ish, so if you look, what's going on here? Give me one sec, guys. Sorry, gang. Okay, so let's finish this, and I'm gonna have to go open the door for someone. I'll be right back. Okay, so the 4 hour is being retesting 280 many times. So here, what happened? Like I explained how I took my trade. We got here, we got the pullback. We got we did respect the sorry, the safety net and one of the lower time frame, but we've already talked about that. So now what's going on now? So if you look here, now we just broke this low. Okay, so we just broke this. Hold on, was this a new high? Guys, wait a second. This is super important. Super important. Okay, so we didn't. Okay, so hold on. Wait a second. Bear with me. So this is the low. This is the high. Boom. So anything in between those two lines is just market structure. So right now we're still bullish on the 4 hour. Even if this close here, breaking this low, we are still bullish. Okay, so that's super important to understand. So if I'm scalping this morning, I'm gonna mostly look for buys, obviously. Okay, but now for this, I'm gonna need the lower time frame to go back bullish. So if you look at the 1 hour, 1 hour is now bearish, right? So boom, 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 boom. So we are now bearish on the lower time frame. So I would need the 30-minute or the 1 hour to go back bullish. And for this, that means something like this. At this stage right now, it would need price to go up here to break this to continue up. But I think price might be doing like a little, and again, we don't trade what I think, you know, but it might do something like this. And once we're going to be breaking this, we can continue to the upside. So that's mostly what I'm going to be looking. But I have another trade idea for you guys. Just give me 2 minutes. I just need to open my garage door for someone dropping something. I'll be right back, guys. All right, guys. Sorry. Okay, we're back. We are back. Don't forget to smash the like button, guys, as you come in. Okay, let's focus here. Okay, so for now, nothing very interesting for me on GJ. We gotta wait. But of course, the other setup I'm gonna be looking at will be the H4 dogtail setup. And as you see, we're still rejecting this area. Look at the 171 to 50-ish right here, right? So this is a QP right there. So if we switch screen right here, oh, usually I got my 250 there also, but whatever. Let's put it here just for you to see how those QP react. So this is setting 250. There we go. Let's put QPs. There we go. So that blue line is just a regular QP, but still very valid. Let's remove that. So if you look at all those rejection. You know, boom, boom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nice rejection around the same level. Even more. We can also come this one and this one. You know, it's very close. It's areas, right? It doesn't have to be super specific. Is areas of that can be rejected here. Okay. So now for GJ, I would say like let's wait for what time is it now? 8. So let's wait 8:30. See the next 30 minutes what happened. So right now we're trying to go back to the upside, but we can also retest this 4-hour low that's been broken. So we don't know yet. Okay. So that's what I say, guys, you just need to understand price action. Okay. Not just that, but it's a big part. Okay. So now let's take a look at other trade ideas. GA weekly is bullish, right? So GA weekly is bullish. The daily is now. The daily is boom, boom. The daily is still bullish. So anything between those two, let's put it red so it's easier for you guys to see. Where is my thing? Right here. Perfect. Let's do this. And let's do this here. All right. So anything between those two red lines are just market structure. So if you look on the daily, we have the pullback into the daily golden zone. And since then, we've been trending up, right? So now let's take a look at the 4-hour. 4-hour went bearish at one point. And now here, right here. Okay, so guys, so I know it can get confusing at some point, but so if you look here, price went down, we broke. So here we create a new high, boom, boom, new high here. So since we broke that low, we went bearish. Here, we were still bearish, and now 4-hour is finally bullish here. So what I'm going to be waiting here, since I don't want to buy a high, right? It doesn't make sense. I need to wait for this candle to close and see if it does close bearish. I'm going to be able to use my fib level. And again, I don't trade based on fib. You know, this is just an added confluence if you want, or just a tool to see where can be my retracement around, you know, like around which area can be my retracement. Sorry about that. So if we look here, let's say that this candle closed bearish, because right now this fib is not valid because we don't have a bearish candle. Okay. But it does make sense because the golden zone will be around this area, which will be in confluence with the previous area that was broken. Okay. So basically, going to be waiting, even if the fib is valid or not at the moment, that would make tons of sense to come down, retest this area that was just broken to continue to the upside. So I'm going to place definitely an alert somewhere around here so I can come and take a look at. And I'm going to say GA retesting previous structure. Make sense? Hey guys, as you come in, don't forget to smash the like button. Let's go see if we have any questions or comments. Can you explain the dogtail setup? Yes. We'll go over a couple pairs, and I'm going to explain the dogtail setup. You'll see it's super, super, super simple. It's just like, it's nothing fancy. It's just, I call it like that just to have fun and to go with the the brand, trade with the pack, right? Dogs and So, but you'll see, it's pretty simple. It's a setup I've been using for the past what, man, I would say 2 years now. Yeah, but it's at a specific moment. Okay, um, on the one candle, and yeah, so basically you'll see. Okay, so G8, yeah, that's the idea here. So I want to wait for the pullback and get in that trade. So that would make tons of sense. NZDGPY, let's see. NZDGPY weekly is bullish. Whoa, yeah, NZDGPY completely forgot, added an alert tonight, telling me like retesting previous weekly structure, retesting daily structure, I mean, sorry, but which is also weekly area of interest. Okay, so if you extend this here, you'll see we got resistance, support. Yeah, it's a pretty good area, support right here also. So yeah, pretty good at your area. What is going on here? Oh dude, I'm gonna be able to do competition with Alex G on the sprinkler battle. The guy, yeah, that's what the guy's doing. He's fixing all my sprinklers. Okay. Yeah, we have a shit ton of sprinklers here. I think we have like, I don't say a stupid number, but we probably have around like 30, 40 sprinklers. Probably more than that because we have some in the flower banks, flower pot. So yeah. Anyways, you see, ADHD just kicked in. I'm sorry, guys. Hey, guys, don't forget to smash the like button as you come in. I really need your help to push the algorithm. We used to have like hundreds of people here, and yeah, took a huge break, and since then, YouTube doesn't like me anymore. But it is what it is. Okay, so NZDGPY, NZDGPY. So what we are going to be waiting now. So right now we are at the daily area of interest. Are we respecting the safety net? That's super important. That's a good indication. You see, dude, I'm not making this up. Okay, so look at this. This is the daily area of interest. This is the safety net, and we have rejection. It's not closed yet. Don't get me wrong. It can still continue to melt, but so far looking good. Yeah, so weekly is bullish, daily is bullish. We have the pullback, which is beautiful. The 4-hour is bearish, obviously. So 4-hour is bearish at the moment. So I'm going to place a note here. So waiting for H4 to go bullish. Okay. And right now it would need price to break here, so which is super high. So I'm going to wait for price to do his thing. And I'm sure structure will be broken like lower. What I mean by that is price will do like whatever, something like that, maybe something like that, and boom, here we're gonna be able to go to the upside. But we shall see. So we're gonna wait for this. Now let's move on to USD GPY. USD GPY weekly is bullish. Daily is bullish. Awesome. We have an area of interest at 137, which is also a major QP. 4-hour right now is bullish. Awesome. So 4-hour is bullish. Let's see. We're respecting the safety net to the T. We got a nice 4-hour engulfing here. So if this candle flips, that would mean the lower time frame will go bullish also. So let's remove this. I don't like to have a lot of stuff on my charts. So right now, 30 minutes. Hold on, wait a sec. 1 hour. Let's see here. Let's see. Boom. Okay. Okay. Boom. Okay, so we went bullish here. We are still bullish because we didn't break that low. Boom. We went bearish, now bullish. Okay, perfect. So we are bullish. You see, sometimes I need those lines because, man, I'm super visual. Let's see now. So this is the 4 hour. So we're respecting the safety net also on H4. That looks good. On H1, sorry guys. So H1 one bullish. Now I need the 30-minute to give me this nice. We are bullish here. Well, yeah. So I need my 30-minute engulfing here. So on USD GPY. So USD GPY is getting ready here. So I'm gonna move this green. Definitely gonna keep an eye here. Missing entry signal. All right, cool. All right, let's talk about GN. Let's talk about GN. Let's talk about GN. Guys, if you have questions, feel free to ask. My pleasure. And don't forget this. Elbow drop that like button. Dude, I was looking for the word. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we're looking at GN. We got the weekly bullish. And if you've been following last week, I would say I said like we might dip down. Actually, for the past couple weeks, I've been saying like we might dip down around this area before pushing back up, and this is pretty much what happened. You know, just above. Let's take a look at the daily. So weekly is bullish, right? So we had the pullback. Now of course, this can reverse because it's not close. We don't know yet, but still, we got a pretty nice pullback. If you look at the daily, this is what I was waiting. I was waiting for the daily to go bullish again. Because if you look, the daily went bearish to have this boom, boom, boom. So we went bearish here by breaking the low. And basically, went bullish here, went bearish again. And now, if this daily candle closed above here, we are now bullish again, which would make tons of sense. We're going to wait for the 4 hour. Actually, 4 hour is now bullish. So what I want is a pullback on the 4 hour. So let's wait for higher low potential or higher low confirm. Yeah, that's it. You know, doesn't have to be more complicated than that. Okay, so this can be like probably around like let's say the next candle is bearish. Just to give us an idea, that should be like around here. All right, cool. So I'm gonna place an alert like somewhere around here because I don't know where the area is gonna be. So it's just to remind me. So I'm gonna say GN potential high low H4. Perfect. Makes sense. All right, CAD GPY. CAD GPY weekly bullish. Yeah, great, awesome. We got our alerts there. So I don't need to break this down more because I got my alert here, retesting previous structure. So we're not close to be ready. I'm just like setting up my alerts to know when this happened. Euro GPY. I'm just gonna take a look very quickly if anything changed over the last couple of days because I was in a mastermind for e-commerce and I didn't really look at the chart. So I only looked like yesterday morning very quickly, took that trade on GJ as you saw with like 90 pips. Yeah, I think like 80 something pips. 80 something pips on 3 position, but wasn't I didn't close in full though. I did close 1 position in full, 2 at 50, and the rest got taken out at break even. And it was probably news or something because my break even stop loss got slipped. Yeah, slipped by so I kind of lost like a tiny bit. It was probably like a pip or 2 slippage on the break even stop loss, which kind of weird. Usually on my break even doesn't happen, so it was probably news or something happened. I don't know. It was during the night, so I didn't look. Whatever. Okay, Euro GPY. Euro GPY. I had a note here. Waiting, higher low potential to enter buy. Look like I fucked up on that one. Look like this happened, right? So look at this. This was perfect. You know, this is exactly what I was waiting for, and this is what happened. Okay, so now let's remove this because this shit happened already. Missed the trade. It is what it is. Now let's take a look. Weekly's bullish. So weekly's bullish. We're gonna pull back. Okay, great. Did we reject 382 here? Hold on. Here. Yeah, we did reject 382. Okay, great. So let's take a look at the daily. Daily is now bullish. Okay. 4 hour. 4 hour is bullish. We got a pullback. Okay, that's cat GPY seems interesting here. So the start of the push is right here to here, rejecting the safety net, closing back in the golden zone. Okay, we got a big ass rejection here. That should give a lot of fuel of this for this H4 candle. So let's take a look at the 2 hour. 2 hour went bearish. 1 hour is bearish. 30-minute is bearish. So I need the 30-minute to go back bullish. So I'm gonna place an alert here. And I'm gonna say 30-minute going bullish. Okay, save. Perfect. Okay, that makes sense. I'm gonna be waiting for something like this. Okay, so let's wait. GU. Let's see here. I think there's a question coming up or comments. Yeah, I was looking to long EJ during London, but didn't since I didn't get an entry. Yeah, makes sense. It's all about patience. You know, it's all about patience. Yeah, EJ during the night. Yeah. Hold on. During the night. Yeah, to go along. No. Yeah. No, you didn't add an entry, like you said. Yeah, that's perfect, man. You gotta wait. You gotta wait. Yeah. Yeah, you know, in my previous life, I would have taken probably an entry based on that engulfing candle right here, you know. But yeah. Hold on, wait a second. 1 hour is bearish. Yeah, hold on. Please stand by. We have this here. Here we went bearish, right? Here we are bearish. And here, this is just, you know, market structure. Yeah, I need to break this here. Oh no, here it was a lower low. Okay, we're good. Okay, perfect. Excellent. But yeah, I would have been taking like this trade right here probably, and I would be fucked. So yeah, thank God now I wait. I'm more patient. Okay, let's go back to GU. Yeah, the fake out was very clean on 4 hour. Okay. What I'm waiting here. Daily needs to go back bullish. Okay, so this is notes I took like last week or the week prior to that. So let's take a look. So the weekly is bullish. We got a nice pullback here. Retesting previous area, which is a nice area of interest. We had a support there, resistance there, and I'm sure if we extend to the left, we got some more action there. Look like so far we are respecting this area. Daily needs to go back bullish. Okay, so that's why I'm not interested in that trade yet. Still have a lot of work to do here. Boom. So we are bearish. We are definitely bearish. So yeah, for now I need price to break here. You know, so So yeah, I'm just gonna be waiting here. Euro GPY. This is disgusting. What's happening? There's nothing. Nothing. We're fucking ranging on the daily. So okay, fuck this. Euro USD. Look at this. We are inside that weekly golden zone. This is beautiful. We did destroy previous structure though. But we're still bullish. We're still bullish. We're inside that weekly golden zone. Let's take a look at the daily. Daily. Ooh, is the daily's going to give us a double bottom here? Interesting. Very interesting. Very, very, very interesting. Yeah, man. So definitely, yeah, Euro USD is setting up now. So I'm going to put that in blue and put something around here because I need the daily to close. If the daily close like above the neckline, we'll be waiting for the retest on the lower time frame. Whoa, what's going on here? Okay, so Euro GPY 30-minute going bullish. Okay, okay, okay. Euro GPY, Euro GPY 30-minute going bullish. Whoa, look at this. This is the alert we just placed. Okay, let's put this on top here. Okay, we're gonna keep an eye on Euro GPY. So that looks good. What time is it? What time is it? Why does my computer keep closing my left? Yo, okay. 8:23. Okay, good. Okay, so okay, let's focus because I want to go back to GJ. All right, so we're gonna be waiting for Euro GPY. It looks like if this 30-minute close above, we're gonna be bullish. We were looking at GU, no? Where are we? Fuck. Or Euro USD. Yeah, Euro USD. Okay. So Euro USD, like I said, we are inside that weekly golden zone. We might have a double bottom here on the daily. We don't know yet. This daily broke previous low, so it looks like we might continue down technically, but look like a solid rejection. So we gotta wait. We gotta wait. This is gonna be looking nice. If this daily can close above here, we'll wait for the 4-hour retest of the neckline. Basically something like this. Boom, 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 retest and go. Okay. Because if you look at the daily will be oh no 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 no. Yeah, that would be more for intraday, not swing. Because this if we close above here, we're still bearish on the daily though. So it might be a nice day trade, but not a swing. Okay. So let's keep that in mind. Okay. We talked about that one. Euro AUD. Need to wait for daily to go bullish again, and looks like we are doing this as we speak. And this is all notes I took like last week or 2 weeks ago. But if you look here, the weekly, we are at a weekly area of interest. So this is beautiful. Beautiful, 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 which is also probably in confluence with a golden zone. This is beautiful. Okay. So cool. So adding confluence here. Daily. Daily is flipping bullish as we speak. No, we are not flipping bullish. We are not flipping bullish. This went bearish here. So the high is here. So anything in between is still bearish. Okay, cool. So I clearly did a mistake when I put a note there. So thank God I actually catch that. And all right, so we're gonna be waiting for this now. We're gonna be waiting. Okay, so here, daily going bullish. Okay, cool. 80 CAD is not ready yet. I think yeah, AUD CAD was ready, but I missed the fucking trade. Look at this. This was perfect. I was waiting to break this support. We got super clean traffic to the left. This was a beautiful setup that I missed. I'm so mad. I was not looking at the chart. So I was basically waiting. You see this arrow? This arrow, I put that like on, I think it was Thursday or Wednesday last week. I can't remember, but I was waiting literally for the break and retest here. So if you look on a 4-hour, We finally had the break. We went back above. We got a break again, retest. Yeah, that sucks. Beautiful entry right here. Beautiful, beautiful. Yeah, that would be amazing. Look at this right here. Bam. Stop above. And let's write it down. Right now would be like a fucking like 3.4, 3.5, whatever. Anyways, missed it. So now what's next with this pair? We're just melting right now, so gotta wait for a pullback, man. Maybe a retest here, I don't know. But yeah, definitely gone. ADCHF. Yeah. We did close above here, so we're still bullish. So yeah, I'm not interested. It doesn't look nice right now, but we are inside that golden zone weekly, so we're gonna have to wait to see how this react. Need the 4 to go back bullish. So actually, let's place something here. Let's say H4 going bullish. Okay, we are done. Okay, let's go back to GJ. Oh, sorry, you got didn't saw your message. Hold on. What did you say? But H4 went bullish on AUD CAD. AUD CAD, H4 went bullish on AUD CAD. Yeah, it went bullish here. Yeah. And right here it went bearish. Went bearish, and we got the retest here, so we can continue down. Yeah. Yes, sir. But let's see here, GJ. What's going on? Where is this 30-minute going? 30-minute look like it's going bullish. I mean, not the trend, but the candle. Candle is going to be closing bullish. Closing in like now. Closing now. Yeah. So close bullish. Rejection of this support here. And this is what I was like, fuck, man, we broke the low, so now we might go down. So as right now, I don't see nothing for GJ. So you go. You wanted to know the dogtail setup, guys. Don't forget to smash the like button. Super important. I need your help, guys. So if you think like you're getting like 1 or 2 tips out of it this morning or whatever, if you think this is valuable, please smash that like button, guys. I just need the algorithm going back my way again. Took a huge break, and since then, yeah, you know what it is to build algorithm. It's tough. And like I said, man, if you look at the past streams, we had like hundreds of people live. We got thousands of views, but now it's just like it's been on slow motion. Okay, need your help. Okay, so let's see what's going on here. This 4 hour is pulling back now. Nice rejection once again. If you look, like every time we rejected this level here, that red line, we pushed hard to the upside. I mean hard, like a pretty good rejection. So for the dogtail setup on today, it doesn't look very nice, because usually I like to go the same way as the previous candle, meaning let's say that this candle was bullish. I would wait for the wick to form to the downside, to form that tail, and once the dogs start running and the nose pass the start line, which is the top wick, which in this case it's super small, this is where I get my entry, and I write it up. In this case, I kind of don't like the fact that I'm going like side by side with a bearish candle, but we shall see. It's closing in like 28 minutes, so we'll see. Right now, 1 hour is closing also in 28 minutes. This is the 2 hour, 4 hour, yeah. Yeah, so nothing like right now. I cannot sell, I cannot buy, even if I want to scalp a short here. It's just like there's nowhere, just like I don't want to be shorting this. And buy is just like, nah, I don't have any. If this candle would have been like a little bigger, maybe, but you know, even there, because we did close here. Yeah, no, doesn't look good. Doesn't look good. Yeah, clear. I can sing. Um, GA. Yeah, that's about it, guys. That's about it. Let's see if we have any question here. What time is it? 8:30. Cool. Okay. Let's see here. Okay, so just a lower wick and then enter of the break of the candle high in a 4 hour trend. Yes, but it's specific to the 9 a.m. candle. This is something on GJ. You can work on other pair, but this is something I've been testing um, and been working on GJ for the past man, I would say like at least 2 years. Yeah, it's been very good for me, that setup. Yeah, of course, it's always better when you go with the trend, but sometimes I did went against the trend, but in the same direction of the previous H4, so because that's gonna be a scalp, so I'm not gonna be holding that for the day. It's gonna be like and most of the time I use a fixed 15 pip stop loss. So I'll go either for a 1-to-1 or 2-to-1, but yeah, you need to do some interviews with traders to boost the channels. I don't really like the only reason why I want to boost the channel is not to get attention, just I just want to be able to help more people. So I did interviews back then. That's also probably maybe maybe you're right, maybe it's one of the reason why the channel grew. Also I still have my interview on Trading Nuts, which has been like what, like 2-3 years ago. Yeah, I think it's still there. Let's see, just for fun, I don't know. YouTube Trading Nuts. Trading Nuts. I think I still have it. I'm not sure. Can we do a search? Can we do a search on channel? Can we do a search on a channel? Trading. Maybe if I put. Let's do this just for fun. Trading Nuts. Oh, not nuts. Yeah, still fun. Okay, give me one sec, guys. Okay, sorry about that, guys. Jesus. Yeah, this morning the guy for the sprinkler was there, so that's why I've been a little distracted. Okay, so I was answering something. Yeah, we were looking at channels. Interviews. Do I still have interviews here? I don't know. Uh, maybe if I look like this, maybe. Oh, here we go. It's still there. Yeah, it's still there. Oh, look at this. I didn't even remember this. I didn't even remember this. Oh, dude. Hold on. I need to do, guys. I need to do a story. Give me 1 second. Okay. So let me just do a little quick something, guys. Fait que ça, c'est moi qui est en train de trader live en ce moment sur YouTube. Et on est en train de parler de trade. Et quelqu'un me demandait si j'avais des entrevues quelque part de moi en anglais. Et je m'en vais sur YouTube, je fais une recherche. Je fais mon nom, right? Et là, je dis, ben oui, il y a une entrevue là. Fait que je parle de vidéo. Et qu'est-ce qui arrive dans mon écran un matin? Isaac sort de ma tête. Ça suffit. C'est non. Arrête, Isaac. Anyways, bonne journée, gang. Okay, sorry guys. This was just inside joke because the guy on the screen, I know him. Um, we were together this weekend, so you see. I didn't even remember, but I talk about the dogtail setup there, and this was in this was a year ago, more than a year ago. When was that? It was probably more than a year ago. It was more than a year ago for sure. A year ago, whatever. Anyways, um, okay, so sorry, I was distracted here. Isaac. Okay, so what's going on with GJ now? Okay, sorry guys, man, got distracted here. Yeah. So yeah, so 30 minutes is pushing up now. Okay, great. Yeah, you know what would be amazing if this four in the next 18 minutes. In the next 18 minutes, look at this rejection. Okay, so this is how I see it. Okay, so let me grab an arrow here. Boom. So you see this wick, the rejection. This is a lot of fuel. This is literally like rocket fuel. Okay, so same thing as what happened to the top. Okay, so you see this huge wick, boom, and what happened right after? Crashed. Okay, so this is like rocket fuel, and this is like submarine fuel. Okay, uh, so this is rocket fuel. If this candle, flip bullish, man, that next 4 hours is gonna skyrocket. And even there now, I'm even more interested now with the dogtail setup in the next candle. Yep. So it is what it is. But yeah, I'm gonna have to go get ready because I got a meeting in the next couple minutes, so I need to go get ready. But we'll definitely keep you posted on my Instagram, guys. So if you're not following me on Instagram, make sure you do so. I'm gonna give some updates there. Yeah, and that's about it. Any last question, guys? Let's see. Oh, let's see. The title is something like Raja Bank student. The title is something like Raja Bank student. Oh, it wasn't. Oh, which title? I don't know. This title? Well, I was a Raja Bank student, but so I don't know if that what you meant. I was. I did. Yeah, I did follow Raja's course. Oh, the YouTube. Yeah. The title. This one? Yeah. I think I was saying something about Raja Bank. Yeah, oh, this is just a quick clip of 10 minutes, but I got a full interview. You're right. I got a full interview that says, in the title, it says, yeah, Raja and I think it was like Wigs Don't Lie and Q Bank students. Um, Something like that. Uh, but yeah, you're right. Where's the other one? Because this is just a quick, but the full interview should be somewhere. How the fuck am I searching my name? It's not there. Oh, right here. Here is how to build a trading here after taking QBank's Who's Not Lying Ryan Gilpin's course. Okay, yeah. And this is more than a year ago. This is more than a year ago. Huh. 9.4K views. Not bad, I guess. You know? Not bad. Not bad for a little guy from Montreal. Um okay. Yeah, you were definitely right, Hugo. Definitely right. No, man, look at this rejection here. Yo, I definitely want to stay, but the problem is I'm gonna be short on in time, so I'm not gonna be able to make it. But yo, this thing is about to fly. Let's take a look at the lower time frame. All right, 15 minute, 5 minute. This 5 minute, 5 minute went bullish. Okay. So next in line is the 15 and 30 minute to go bullish. Yo, look at this rejection. Woo! Okay. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen. Okay, guys. So yeah, thank you so much for being here this morning. This was not supposed to be live today because we are Wednesday, and usually I do stream on Tuesday. I was in a mastermind boot camp for the past couple of days, so unfortunately I was not able to be there yesterday. We'll definitely do a Forex talk over beer tomorrow. Tomorrow night at 6 p.m. Eastern. So make sure to tune in. And guys, again, thank you so much. And I'll see you tomorrow night. Already tomorrow night. Yeah. So tomorrow night, I'll see you guys. Take care. Have a great day.